my neighbor's garage that saved me thousands of times. He just couldn't, no one could complete it. And you were talking about the suture lines.
Right.
Halloween, we had a Halloween party.
Right.
It was a fun experience.
I'm from London, England. I just found this by chance. I saw a video, I think it was on YouTube.
So all these tiny little hairs you're seeing here are the one-hair grafts, which create the softness, and as you can see, nothing is detectable to the eye.
The results achieved were better than expected. I would recommend Dr. Bolton to anybody that I know. Procedure and care was very well.
And I went on the website and I looked at the pictures of before and after, and I was blown away. The way it looks after the fact, the before and afters or you can't beat it. There's no place in the country that does that. I would say to Dr. Bolton, thank you for giving my life back.